Hi everyone, so I've had some questions about my techniques for planting tomatoes, so I thought I'd take you through it quickly. Just staying inside my little greenhouse. I have another little greenhouse inside my greenhouse and my tomatoes are in there. They're about 1 to 2 feet tall right now. The reason I have a little greenhouse inside my bigger greenhouse is because I am missing a door. So that's kind of what I'm doing for now until I can fix the greenhouse that I have. All right, yeah, so the tomato plants I have right now, I grew from seeds and they're about 1 to 2 feet tall. I planted them early March, I would say, so they've been growing for a couple months now, and I'm gonna put one of them in the ground for you. So I dig my hole first, and I've done the first one already. The next thing I do is add my cage and just push it down so that it stays in place. Here's my tomato that I'm gonna plant, and you can see it's pretty long already, and he already actually has some flowers on the top. So all I'm gonna do is just take him out of the pot. And then feed him right through the center, all the way down to the bottom. And I like to plant my tomatoes quite deep, okay, because the stem is actually going to grow some new roots. Something else that I like to do is add eggshells. So we don't throw any of our eggshells out during the year. We save them all. And then I like to throw a handful into each hole before I add a bit of soil. And that's all the fertilizer that I use. And now I'm just adding some extra dirt. Keep your tomato a little bit straight. And this variety is actually called chocolate cherry, and they are delicious. I grow usually about 5 or 6 different varieties each summer. And yeah, I'm just gonna water this guy now. Before I water, I'm gonna add another handful of eggshells around the top. I just straighten the dirt out a little bit so that it's a bit neater. Gonna give it a big drink of water. And I've got my little helper on the fence there, Moby, while I'm putting all my tomatoes in. I've only put one in so far because it is only May 14th in London, Ontario. It's a little bit early, and I'm just gonna keep an eye on him. The rest I'm gonna put in the ground probably May 24th or so. Just make sure that all dangers of frost have passed. All right, happy gardening, everyone. Shoot me a message if you have any questions. Bye.